Okay, I just got myself a Klimaire 24,000 BTU Minisplit heat pump. I'm going to be installing it this weekend. When it arrives, they have 24 hours to inspect it for damage. So basically, I'm going to inspect it for damage and do a quick video at the same time here. This is one of the pre-charged DIY type systems. So no need for vacuuming. It is very similar to the Mr. Cool system, which you've probably seen several videos on if you're doing any type of research on this. The main reason why I picked this one, the Klimaire, instead of the Mr. Cool, is basically it was $300 cheaper on Amazon than the Mr. Cool. And I'll put a link below in the comments, of course. And also, it came with the mounting bracket. That you stick on your wall. So for $300 plus a mounting bracket, I'm saving $350, $375, and it looks like the exact same type of system. From my understanding, from what I've seen in other videos, all these mini splits are essentially made in the same two factories in Malaysia or China. So I'm going to reposition the camera and I'm going to start unboxing this for an inspection, and we'll see what we got in the boxes while we do it. Alrighty, let's start tearing off shrink wrap. So this did come on a pallet from FedEx. Delivered it right into my garage, basically. So that was good. And some more straps to cut here. There. Okay, so we have our universal mounting bracket. I'm going to move the camera again. Alright, so we got the universal mounting bracket that came with it. I'm fairly confident no damage occurred to this. Looks like it is just a standard 2 L's that you will drop the thing on. So I'm just going to put this aside. And take a look at the condensing unit and make sure it did not get screwed up at all in transit. Don't see any dents or dings, packaging is good. Okay, so this, it looks like that's one of the line sets, that's one of the thin line sets. Assuming the other one's in here, oh there it is. There's one line set. There's our larger line set, I believe that's a return. And I'm assuming there's a set of control wires in here. Let's just do it this way. And we got a drain hose and some accessories. Pins look like they're in good shape. Alright, I've got it unboxed here, the condensing unit part of it. Just want to give you an image of the box so you can see the pertinent data. That is the model number. And just going to take a little walk around the condensing unit here. It's a good size. This weighs about 100 pounds. So I am going to have a buddy from work come to help me lift it onto its stand. I did originally think that said Klimaire, but that is Klimaire. And if you look at this, this does look nearly identical to your Mr. Cool unit. Get a close-up of the data plate here. And that is made in China. And we have quick connect fittings. Again, this is a no vacuum unit. And looks like it arrived in very good condition. Unboxing the air handler portion of this now. Alright, we have our wall template. A bit of bonus cardboard. Alright, I have the air handler unboxed. I just want to show some of the features of it here. One is the control wire is pre-connected. Sorry, the control wire is pre-connected, and it does come with a quick connect. So there's no need to remember your 4 wires, like, you know, that's really hard. Refrigerant lines are all pre-charged. They have quick connect fittings. You just screw the two together and it releases the Freon into the other side. Obviously this thing is on its back right now. But that is our Klimaire 24,000 BTU air handler. And I'm going to read some of the included documentation before I start tampering with this thing too much. We do have our template. We've got our template. Also in the box we have a remote control in a pretty pink bag. I believe the remote control also has its the thermostat built into it. Oh, these are our rubber foot patties. We have a remote control bracket. And what do we have in here? Let's see what's in the second accessory kit here. Okay, we have a drain hose. Throw that in here. We have a wall mount doohickey. So foam insulation. 2 rolls of, I guess it's a line set wrap. We have a plastic tube. Ooh. Another through-the-wall cover doohickey. A drain spout for the bottom of the connecting unit. And 2 packages of plasticine. So I guess that's just to plug up holes there. And I'll just grab the other. In the other accessory bag, you get 4 chunks of line set connector sealant black sticky shit. You get 2 batteries for your remote control. You get an Allen wrench to turn the gas on. You get an assortment of manuals. A warranty card. A couple of random brass fittings, which hopefully I'll need. I'm assuming those are only needed to really screw something up. And I'm guessing these anchors are to hold the mounting bracket that comes on the back of the air handler. Let's take a quick look at the remote control. And I would say, I'll put my eyeballs over. So we have mode, turbo, timer, fan, echo, mute. I don't understand what mute would be for. Swing, sleep, display, I feel, and I set. I'm going to show you the remote display here. So look up some of these things here. See if that'll focus there. So you have I feel and I set. I set all the time, and yeah, I feel sometimes too. So, Alright, so all in, this was about $1,600 including tax, free shipping up from Florida. I'm going to put a link to this in the description to this item. Like I said, it is essentially the same as the Mr. Cool, as far as I can tell. I was looking at the Mr. Cool version, and the main issues I was seeing with the Mr. Cool on the Amazon comments or reviews was you would call Mr. Cool for customer service, you have to leave a phone number, and then they never call you back. There weren't enough reviews really to judge this one. Everybody seemed to be mainly positive about it. Main reason why I bought it, $300 cheaper, and it includes some mounting brackets. So that's my savings. I've already got the electrical wiring portion up to the disconnect done. So this weekend I will be mounting that air handler, and I will be getting everything else done, and hopefully by Monday I will have heat that is not running off space heaters, and that would be great. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up because you've probably already stopped watching, and y'all have yourself a great day.